Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we will be taking a look at the top 5 best ways to make money online in 2021 that works 100%. Warning: this video is not a get-rich-quick scheme or promising you big sums of money overnight. All these methods will take time and effort to implement into your life, but they are guaranteed to earn you decent sums of money in the long run if implemented correctly and with consistency. With that being said, let's get right into the video. Be sure to subscribe for future videos, helping you to become financially free. At number 1, we have dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business where you sell another person's product or service for a profit. The advantages of dropshipping is that you will not have to worry about inventory issues or shipping procedures, as they will be dealt by the supplier. An example of this would be making an account on Shopify and selling a product from AliExpress. You should know that this is a competitive market. We would advise you to pick a niche that you are passionate about and that sells well. We'd recommend you start off with some money for marketing to drive customers to your product page. Do check for tutorials on YouTube for a full guide. At number 2, print on demand. Print on demand involves creating a design or logo for everyday products such as shirts, mugs and face masks. This is perfect if you are into drawing and designing. Websites that offer these services are Redbubble and Teespring. These websites arrange the delivery and the products to be sold to the customer, which takes away the hassle of preparing inventory and shipping products out. These websites do take a percentage of earnings, but you do earn a good amount for designing your products. Coming in at number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is probably the most easiest way to make money online. This involves promoting a certain product or service for the seller and getting paid in commissions. There are numerous websites offering this opportunity, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank and the Shopify affiliate program. We suggest you have page on a social media platform such as Facebook or Instagram with a decent following for best results. You can then promote anything you'd like that is in accordance to the theme of your page. This method can bring a big sum of money into your life, for the least effort. At number 4, create an online course. If you are good at a certain activity such as cooking or playing soccer, you are able to sell your knowledge for a fair amount of money. Even being able to speak a certain language can be taught to others that want to learn. Websites that offer this are Udemy and Skillshare. Be sure to add a few courses and teach your best for the best results. Lastly, at number 5, start a YouTube channel. It is no secret that YouTubers earn a substantial amount of money from making videos. This is possible thanks to advertisements before, during, and after videos. But this is not the only way to make money on YouTube. You may also add affiliate market links in your video description to get the most amount of money possible and provide great value to your audience. Picking a niche that resonates with you is key, as this will give you motivation and make you excited to create videos. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Be sure to let us know in the comments which of these methods you prefer the most and what other finance-related topics you would like us to cover. Subscribe and like this video and support the channel. See you in the next one.